thoroughly planned, and there were a lot of games to play, and there was really good foods to eat. So it was very good planned, and everyone had a lot of fun over here. Yeah, so thank you for everything, Nakheel.
We went here in Al Furjan, Masakin. I hope to do it again. It was really fun. I enjoyed the events, stories. We made some teddy bears too, and we got some food. Thank you, Nakheel, and I hope you do it again.
It was very good and fun-filled activities. Other events also for kids and as well parents also both are enjoying. Thank you, Nakheel Community. Thank you very much.